Hey everyone, this is another ClickFix shortcode tutorial, and in this tutorial you're going to learn how you can use a shortcode to make your user type in their address faster so that they don't have to type in their entire address. They just start looking for their address and a Google search will look for their address and type it in the field. So before you use any of our shortcodes, you need to make sure that you have everything set up so everything works smoothly. So I'm here in the ClickFix website, app.clickfix.io, and once you log in into your account, you're going to go to Start Here. So the first step is to go to the Start Here page, and the first thing to do is to add your domain. So if you click here, you will be able to add your domain. Remember that if you have a free ClickFix account, you can only add one domain. So once you have that set up, you can go back to the Start Here page. And the next step is to install the Chrome plugin. So if you click here, it will take you to the Chrome store where you can download the plugin and it will be added to your Chrome browser. So the next step is to copy the script that you have to add to the header code in all of your Ontraport pages where you want to use one of our shortcodes. So this goes above any of the shortcodes that you use. So you just come to your Ontraport page and you click on custom code, and it's gonna take you to the header code where you paste your script, and then you can start working on your shortcodes. And those are the 3 steps that you need to follow in order to use our shortcodes. Also in this page you can find the documentation page where you can find all of our shortcodes and the written instructions for all of them. So here are all the shortcodes, and you can scroll down to the shortcode that you want to check out. And also if you have any other questions or you need more help, you can click on the support button and you will get a ticket to solve any of your doubts. And with that being said, we can move on to the tutorial. There's a few steps that you need to follow to use this shortcode. The first thing is that you need to create your API code. So for that, you're going to go to the developers console from Google and you need to create a new project. I already have my project created right here, but if you didn't, you just have to create it if you click on here, new project. Now you're going to click on Enable APIs and Services and search for Places API. So once you click on this, you're going to click on Enable. I already have it enabled, so I get the Manage button, but this usually says Enable. And now you're going to search for the Maps JavaScript API. And you're going to do the same thing with that one. Now that you have those 2 APIs enabled, you're going to go to the main dashboard and you're going to click on the Places API link. Now that you're here, you're going to go to the Credentials tab and you're going to click on this link. Then you're going to click on Create Credentials and you're going to create an API key. I already have mine created right here, and here is the key, so you can just copy it and use it in your shortcode. You also need to set up your billing information in here so that you get $200 a month in credits for free. Otherwise, your account will be limited to about 10 searches per day. Now back to Ontraport, the things that you need to do is to create a text field. So I'm using a notes field for this, and I am going to the custom code, and this is the code that you need. So it starts with get address, and then you're gonna type the field ID. If you wanna know what the field ID, you can use the ClickFix extension to figure that out. So if you click on highlight field names, you can get the field ID. So this time the field ID is notes, but sometimes it will start with an F and then it has 4 numbers after that. So you put the field ID and then hide yes. What this is going to do is that it's going to hide any address fields on your page. That's why I created an address field, just to show you how that works. So if you didn't want to hide that, you just type no. Now you're going to type in the language of your search, in this case English, and then after G key, you're going to paste your API key. And that is everything. Once you publish your page, this is what it's going to look like. So as you can see, there's no address field because it got hidden by the code, and now you can just type your address. And this is how you use the get address shortcode, and I'll see you in the next video.